One of my favorite things to do in Palm Beach is to go to the Breakers and visit the HMF bar and order their historic cocktail, the Sidecar. The Sidecar was the definitive cocktail of the Prohibition era and has been enjoyed by Palm Beach partygoers for the last 100 years. The recipe is straight from the personal playbook of W.R. Keenan Jr., brother-in-law of HMF's namesake, Henry Morrison Flagler. The cocktail is prepared with pure ingredients and really packs a punch. 2 ounces of Hennessy VSOP, a half an ounce of Cointreau, a half an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon and lime juice. Shake vigorously with ice for 15 seconds, strain and pour into a chilled martini glass, and you garnish it with an orange peel. The Sidecar is a true taste of history here in the Palm Beaches.